Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to cash out $500 on Cash App. First thing you want to do obviously is get the app. You can sign up with the link in the description, get $5 for free if you want to do that. It's also available in the App Store and Google Play Store. Once you sign up, just go through all of the steps to set up your account. You'll have to connect your bank accounts, provide all of your information. It's standard for every finance app. Once you're all set up and good to go, you'll notice this is a full service banking and investing app. We have the balance screen here. You can also invest in Bitcoin and stocks on this screen. You can receive direct deposits from your job. Pretty much anything that a bank can do, you can do here. There's also a card. You can set up your card. They'll send you a physical card in the mail that you can swipe to spend your balance. And there's peer-to-peer payments. I have tutorials for how to use all of these things on my channel if you want to check those out. But today we're pretty much just going to use the cash balance. I'm going to show you how to cash out $500 for free. Very simple to do. You'll be able to send payments back and forth to people or to your bank. So if you want to add cash to your Cash App account, there's a few ways you can do this. You can tap add cash and add cash directly from your bank, or you go to the peer-to-peer payment screen, and other people can kind of use this screen too to send you cash, like if you sell products or a service, or you need your friend to pay you back, something like that. You can tap the icon in the top right corner and this is going to show your cash tag. So mine is 100 Charizards. You can just tell anyone your cash tag and they'll be able to send you money from this screen. So I'm just showing some ways that you could get cash into your balance. And then what we want to do is cash out. So I'm going to tap the cash out button at the top of this screen. This is going to give us a slider here. We can drag this slider to choose however much we want. I'm just going to choose 500. By the way, you can tap on the text if you want to do a little more, like 501, or get more specific, 505. I'm just going to close that. We just want to do 500 for this example. Then I'm going to tap cash out. From here we get two options. We can do the standard, which is free, and I get that on Wednesday. It's currently Monday. Usually it takes 1 to 2 days, so like tomorrow or Wednesday I'll get it by. Or we can do instant, and that's an $8.75 fee. I don't want to pay a fee. I don't like paying fees, so I'm just going to do the standard, which is free on Wednesday. It's going to do the Face ID thing. $500 will be available in your bank account on Wednesday. Tap done. Just like that, you can see that there's 500 less in my cash balance, and that's on its way to my bank. We can go to transaction history in the bottom right corner. There's another way you could earn some money here is referrals. We can tap this cash out here. See cash out on its way to my bank account. $500 today at 10:01 a.m. Don't worry about the 941 it says at the top of the screen. That's just a bug with my QuickTime player. Always says 941 when I record mobile app videos. But yeah, there's the transaction history, the details, and this will deposit on Wednesday. But there's a quick how-to for you, how to transfer money on Cash App for free. You can send it to other people or you can send it back and forth to your bank. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.